The 2027 Mazda CX-50 is coming in 7 distinct trim levels, with a price range that stretches from just over $31,000 to nearly $45,000, and the differences between them are far bigger than most buyers realize. If you're planning to walk into a dealership without knowing exactly what each trim is offering, there's a real chance you'll end up paying for features you don't need, or missing ones you'll wish you had from day one. The 2027 CX-50 is changing engines, tires, safety systems, and driving character as you move through the lineup, and that changes everything about which one is actually right for you. Number 7. S-Select, the starting point. At $31,000, the S-Select is where the 2027 CX-50 lineup is beginning, and it's a stronger starting point than most base trims in the segment. Every S-Select is running Mazda's 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder paired to a 6-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive. Output lands at 187 horsepower and 185 pound-feet of torque fuel economy at 24 city and 30 highway, and 0 to 60 takes around 8.4 seconds. The cabin is going to feature leatherette upholstery, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a 10.25-inch infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Anyone who has owned a stripped base trim from a decade ago knows the frustration of climbing in with zero safety net beneath you. The Select is not that vehicle. Forward collision warning with automatic braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure mitigation, and adaptive cruise control are all arriving as standard equipment. Where it pulls back is comfort: no heated seats, no sunroof, no wireless charging. For buyers who prioritize technology over creature comforts, it's a strong entry, but those missing features aren't far away because the very next trim is bringing all of them at once. Number 6. S Preferred, where comfort arrives. Priced at a bit under $34,000, the S Preferred is closing the gap between capable and genuinely comfortable. The powertrain is unchanged: 187 horsepower, 6-speed automatic, all-wheel drive, but everything surrounding the driver is meaningfully upgraded. Getting into a cold cabin without heated seats across months of winter mornings is one of those irritations that compounds quickly. The Preferred eliminates it. Heated front seats and a power-adjustable driver's seat are arriving as standard, alongside a panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, wireless phone charger, and front and rear parking sensors. The Preferred is adding exactly the features buyers reach for every single day, and it does so without a dramatic price increase. The Select laid a capable foundation, and the Preferred builds the comfort layer on top of it. But if all-terrain capability matters more to you than a sunroof, the next trim takes the CX-50 in a completely different direction. Number 5. S Meridian Edition, built for different roads. At $34,700, the S Meridian Edition is built for driving that happens when the pavement ends. The full Preferred equipment set carries over: heated seats, sunroof, power liftgate, parking sensors, wireless charging, but the hardware underneath is changing. 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires replace the standard setup, and ground clearance rises to 8.5 inches. Standard all-season tires have clear limits on packed dirt, loose gravel, or a muddy road. The Meridian Edition's all-terrain rubber is designed specifically for those conditions, giving the CX-50 a genuine capability advantage that no amount of all-wheel drive alone can replicate on challenging terrain. The powertrain remains the 187 horsepower 2.5-liter, but with proper off-road tires and additional clearance, this trim handles conditions that would stop the standard Preferred. At just $750 more, it's one of the sharper value propositions in the lineup. Buyers who want that capability paired with a more refined interior, however, will find that conversation starting at the next trim. Number 4. S Premium, the refinement upgrade. The S Premium arrives at $36,500, and this is where the CX-50's interior begins to take on a genuinely upscale character. Same powertrain, 187 horsepower, 6-speed automatic, all-wheel drive, 26 miles per gallon combined. But the cabin tells a different story. Genuine leather upholstery replaces the leatherette. Front seats gain ventilation alongside heating. Anyone who has settled into sun-baked leather on a hot afternoon knows exactly what that addition is worth. They turn a miserable first 5 minutes into a non-event. A driver's seat memory function, power-adjustable front passenger seat, and a 12-speaker Bose audio system round out the key upgrades. Wheels grow to 20-inch alloys. The S Premium is the ceiling of the naturally aspirated lineup, and it's where interior quality starts to genuinely challenge near-luxury brands. But no amount of leather or premium audio changes what's under the hood. And for buyers who want the CX-50 to perform as well as it looks, the next trim is where that transformation is happening. Number 3. Turbo. The engine changes everything. At a little bit over $39,000, the most important transition in the lineup is taking place. The naturally aspirated engine is gone, replaced by a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder that fundamentally changes what the CX-50 feels like to drive. On regular fuel, output climbs to 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. On premium, those figures rise to 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet. 0 to 60 drops to 6.4 seconds. There's a specific feeling that separates a torquey engine from a merely adequate one. It's the immediate response when merging onto a fast highway or closing a gap in moving traffic. With 310 pound-feet arriving at just 2,000 revolutions per minute, that response is there every time you need it. The turbo also adds adaptive headlights, a head-up display, and power-folding mirrors, while towing capacity increases to 3,500 pounds, up from 2,000 on naturally aspirated models. The full S Premium Comfort package carries over. The turbo is well-rounded on its own, but buyers who want that turbocharged performance paired with genuine off-road hardware will find the next trim purpose-built for exactly that. Number 2. Turbo Meridian Edition, the full package for adventurers. At $41,900, the Turbo Meridian Edition is pairing the turbocharged powertrain with the Meridian's trail-ready hardware, a combination no other trim in the lineup is offering. The engine delivers 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet on regular fuel, 256 and 320 on premium. It rides on 18-inch wheels with all-terrain tires at 8.5 inches of ground clearance. Having 310 pound-feet of torque available while the tires are biting into loose terrain creates a substantially more capable machine than either element would deliver on its own. Think about a weekend trip that ends on a forest road or a dirt trail. A vehicle with street tires and a modest engine turns that final stretch into a tense experience. The Turbo Meridian Edition is built to make it just as confident as everything that came before it. Inside, heated rear seats, a heated steering wheel, and a built-in navigation system with off-road mapping are all arriving as standard. It's a well-executed niche in the lineup, but for buyers who want the turbocharged engine and the most advanced safety technology the CX-50 offers, only one trim goes that far. Number 1. Turbo Premium Plus, the full CX-50 experience. At $44,500, the Turbo Premium Plus is the range-topping 2027 Mazda CX-50, and it's arriving with an active safety package that goes further than anything else in the lineup. The powertrain is the same turbocharged 2.5-liter, 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet on regular fuel, 256 and 320 on premium, 6-speed automatic, all-wheel drive, 23 city and 29 highway fuel economy, 0 to 60 at approximately 6.4 seconds, towing capacity at 3,500 pounds. The Turbo Premium Plus carries the full turbo equipment set with leather seating, ventilated and heated front seats, Bose audio, head-up display, adaptive headlights, and power-folding mirrors. The upgrades at this level are focused almost entirely on safety technology, and the distinction from lower trims is a genuinely meaningful one. Most drivers have experienced the unsettling moment of reversing out of a parking spot as a vehicle appears from a direction they couldn't see, or attempting a lane change and realizing too late that someone was sitting in the blind spot. These are the situations that active intervention systems are built for, not just warnings, but physical responses. Surround view monitoring delivers a top-down camera view of the full vehicle perimeter. Reverse automatic braking applies the brakes when an obstacle is detected behind the vehicle. Blind spot intervention steers the car back into its lane if a lane change is attempted while another vehicle is present. Front cross-traffic alert warns of vehicles crossing ahead, and intersection collision mitigation applies the brakes during left-turn conflict scenarios. The 2027 Mazda CX-50 is a lineup that rewards buyers who do their homework. The S Select delivers a complete technology and safety package. The preferred layers on daily comfort. The Meridian Editions add real off-road capability without sacrificing the rest. The S Premium elevates the interior, the Turbo transforms the driving experience, and the Turbo Premium Plus caps everything with safety systems that don't just warn, they act. 7 trims, 1 platform, and a wider range of personalities than most buyers expect. Knowing which one fits your priorities is the difference between a purchase you're satisfied with and one you're genuinely happy with every single day. The CX-50 is clearly one of the most natural choices in the segment, but it's not like there are no worthy competitors. The 2027 Nissan Rogue will be one of them. So make sure to check our video about the reasons to wait for it. It's getting a full redesign that, among other novelties, brings a revolutionary hybrid powertrain that drives like an EV, but without range anxiety.